This is a rotating grain storage box that helps keep your grains fresh and organized. Its 360-degree rotation and 6 separate compartments make it easy to access exactly what you need with a simple press of a button. The sealed top keeps moisture and dust out, ensuring your grains stay dry and tidy. You don't need to open the lid frequently, reducing air exposure. This is a pull-out shelf that helps keep your kitchen cabinets neat and organized. It installs easily with adhesive, so there's no need for tools or drilling. The sliding mechanism moves smoothly and quietly, making it simple to access your items. Adjustable dividers let you customize the space to fit your kitchen essentials. Transform your workspace with a sleek vertical stand designed for MacBooks, providing an organized and efficient setup. This stand allows your MacBook to connect easily to an external monitor while keeping cables tidy and accessible, reducing clutter on your desk. Crafted from aluminum, it not only enhances airflow, but also complements your decor, making it a stylish addition to any home or office environment. Transform your iPad experience with this sleek and lightweight case designed for both the iPad Air and iPad Pro models. Offering 4 versatile standing angles, it's perfect for video calls, drawing, or browsing. Made from durable polyurethane leather, this case is not only stylish, but also resistant to dust and scratches. The magnetic closure keeps your Apple Pencil secure, while the Auto Sleep Wake feature ensures your device is always ready for use. This modern smart safe combines high-tech security with convenience. It features a biometric fingerprint scanner for quick access, a built-in wireless phone charger, and USB ports. The auto-open drawer fits a full-size pistol or valuables. With Bluetooth connectivity, you can manage settings and monitor activity via a smartphone app. The safe also includes tamper alerts and an anti-theft design for added security. Ideal for nightstands or RVs, it offers both AC and backup battery power. Transform your living room with this sleek LED coffee table, blending modern design with functionality. Featuring 2 storage drawers and a high-gloss finish, it's perfect for organizing your space while adding a touch of elegance. With app control, you can customize the lighting, choosing from 60,000 colors to create the ideal ambience for any mood or occasion. The 2-tier design offers ample storage, while the LED lights elevate the aesthetic of your room. Elevate your work experience with this adjustable electric standing desk, designed to seamlessly transition between sitting and standing. With a spacious 48 inches into 24 inches surface, it supports up to 176 pounds, making it perfect for all your tasks. Customize your height easily with 3 preset buttons, ensuring ergonomic comfort. Sturdy steel construction guarantees stability, while straightforward assembly gets you set up in no time. Maximize your closet space with these smart space-saving hangers. Made from sturdy plastic, they're designed to hold all types of clothes, from jackets to delicate tops. Perfect for tight spaces like college dorm rooms or small apartments, these hangers help you stay organized and make the most of every inch in your closet. Their sleek black design complements any wardrobe, offering both style and function for all your storage needs. Brighten up your bedroom with this LED nightstand, designed for both style and convenience. Featuring smart motion sensor lights, the LED bed table automatically lights up when you approach, providing a gentle glow at night. The 2 high-gloss drawers offer ample storage for all your essentials, while the sleek modern design complements any bedroom decor. Whether you're storing books, remotes, or nighttime necessities, this nightstand combines functionality with ambient lighting, making it the perfect addition to your sleep space. This portable smart ice maker brings convenience and tech to your kitchen, producing 9 ice cubes in just 6 minutes. With built-in Wi-Fi and voice control, you can easily manage it via Alexa or Google Assistant. It offers 3 ice cube sizes, a self-cleaning feature, and customizable RGB lighting. Ideal for those needing up to 26 pounds of ice per day, this ice maker ensures you're always ready for gatherings or everyday use. Add a touch of vintage charm to your space with this retro mechanical flip desk clock. Its unique design features a mechanical drive system with a flip-down display, offering an elegant way to keep track of time. The large, easy-to-read numbers ensure you won't miss a beat, while the low noise level allows both stylish and functional, making it perfect for home or office decor. This smart flower pot brings your plant care to the next level with 49 expressive animations and 7 smart sensors. Not only does it show the time and temperature, but the AI chips also help you monitor your plant's needs with ease. It's like having a little garden companion that talks to you through animations, making plant raising more interactive and fun. With its advanced tech and playful features, you'll never forget to water your plants again. This anti-gravity humidifier creates a mesmerizing visual display while adding moisture to the air. Featuring an LED clock display, ultrasonic water drip technology, and cool mist aromatherapy diffuser functionality, this levitating water droplet humidifier adds a touch of magic to any room. Brew a perfect 4 to 8 ounce cup of coffee in just 20 seconds with this single-serve coffee maker. The compact design is ideal for travel, and the included cup adds convenience. Enjoy a consistently delicious brew thanks to the 185-degree Fahrenheit constant temperature brewing. Automatic drip brewing makes it simple to use. This is a Christmas tree coaster made from thick wood that helps protect your table from heat marks. Its heat-resistant design is perfect for placing hot dishes, pots, or pans right from the oven. The coaster features an automatic folding mechanism, which makes it easy to expand with a simple push. This is a portable cooking pot that heats food quickly with a 1,000-watt power output. Its 2-liter capacity is great for cooking meals for 1 to 3 people, making it great for small gatherings or quick meals. The high-quality ceramic glaze coating ensures safe, toxin-free cooking and is easy to clean. It also has overheating and boil-dry protection for added safety. This is a 5-piece knife set that includes a variety of knives, from an 8-inch chef knife to a 3.5-inch paring knife, plus steak knives and a kitchen shear. The black non-stick and anti-rust coating helps keep the knives in great condition by preventing oxidation and ensuring they stay rust-free. The built-in knife sharpener in the block makes it easy to keep your knife sharp without needing a separate tool. This is a vacuum sealer machine that features an LED display screen, visible window, and built-in cutter. It can vacuum seal food in just 6 to 12 seconds, helping preserve meat and other items for up to 9 days, locking in moisture and extending freshness. The machine offers 6 adjustable modes for various sealing needs, and it's simple to use with a one-touch operation. Transform your space with this sleek, modern floor-standing atmosphere lamp. Featuring intelligent sound pickup, it syncs with your music, creating a vibrant light show that reacts to the beat. With 16 million DIY colors to choose from, you can customize your mood lighting to perfection. Control it effortlessly through the app or infrared remote. Whether in your bedroom or living room, this color-changing floor lamp adds a dynamic, personalized touch to any room. Keep your automatic watches ticking with this double watch winder, designed for both men's and women's timepieces. Featuring a quiet motor, it ensures your watches stay wound without any distracting noise. The sleek design is enhanced with an LED atmosphere lamp, adding a touch of elegance to your space. Powered by either USB or D batteries, it's perfect for any setup, whether at home or on the go. A stylish, practical solution for keeping your prized watches in top condition. This 4-in-1 bedside light is a game changer. It combines a dimmable LED nightlight, wireless charger, and portable Bluetooth speaker into one sleek design. The touch-sensitive feature allows you to adjust the light with ease, while the built-in speaker lets you enjoy music or podcasts from your phone. Ideal for both men and women, it's the perfect birthday or Mother's Day gift, bringing convenience, comfort, and entertainment to any bedside table. Upgrade your home with this sleek in-wall touchscreen smart panel. With Alexa built right in, it lets you control your home's devices and scenes with just a touch or your voice. Compatible with smart life devices, you can easily manage everything from lights to thermostats, all from one central panel. Whether you're dimming the lights for movie night or adjusting the temperature, this smart switch gives you effortless control and convenience, making your home smarter and more intuitive. on cold days. Featuring a powerful rechargeable battery and 3 heat settings, these portable hand heaters are perfect for women, men, and anyone spending time outdoors, camping, or hunting. The magnetic design allows you to connect the 2 warmers together for convenient storage and charging. Stay warm and comfortable in any environment with these versatile and rechargeable hand warmers. This mini smart tracker helps you locate lost items with ease. Using GPS technology and app control, this key finder with an anti-lost alarm sensor can track the location of your phone, wallet, keychain, luggage, pet dog, or cat. Available in packs of 2 or 6, these trackers make a perfect Halloween or Christmas gift. Enjoy peace of mind knowing you can quickly find your valuables with this convenient and reliable smart tracker. Step up your gaming with this mechanical gaming keyboard that's built for both performance and comfort. Featuring 104 keys, RGB backlighting, and hot swappable linear red switches, you can customize your typing experience to your exact preferences. The magnetic wrist rest ensures long-lasting comfort during intense gaming sessions, while the fully anti-ghosting feature gives you flawless responsive keystrokes. Elevate your audio experience with this stylish home speaker, crafted from sustainable natural bamboo for a unique, eco-friendly design. Featuring wireless BP 5.3 technology, it delivers powerful sound with dual woofers and thumping bass that fills the room. Perfect for your record player, computer, TV, or smartphone, this speaker offers crystal clear sound and smooth connectivity.